If you're looking to automate your billing and invoicing process, SuiteDash could be the solution you've been searching for. In this video, we'll dive into how SuiteDash can streamline your entire billing workflow, saving you time and reducing human error, so stick around until the end, because I'll also introduce a competitor that might be a better fit for your needs. First off, SuiteDash is a powerful business management platform that integrates many features, including billing and invoicing automation. When you log in, you're greeted with a simple, intuitive dashboard that houses everything you need. The first thing to note is that SuiteDash allows you to create and send professional-looking invoices in just a few clicks. You can add your clients, input the items or services provided, and even set up recurring invoices for those with long-term contracts or subscriptions. This is a game changer if you're managing multiple clients at once and need a consistent, automated process. Next thing to highlight is its integration with payment gateways. SuiteDash allows you to link to popular payment systems like Stripe or PayPal, enabling your clients to pay their invoices directly online. This means no more chasing clients down for payment or waiting for checks to clear. It's automated, it's quick, and it provides a seamless experience for both you and your clients. The third thing SuiteDash brings to the table is its ability to track payments. Every invoice is automatically updated with its payment status. You'll know immediately when an invoice is paid, pending, or overdue, so you can focus on other tasks without the constant need for manual checks. Plus, you can send automatic payment reminders to clients who haven't paid on time, which helps maintain cash flow and reduces late payments. The fourth thing to mention is SuiteDash's customizable templates. Whether you need to send invoices, estimates, or quotes, you can fully customize these documents to match your branding. You can add logos, change the colors, and even set the payment terms to suit your business needs. This level of personalization ensures that every document looks professional and aligned with your brand. But here's the kicker: SuiteDash isn't perfect. While it does a lot of things right, there are a few limitations. The learning curve can be steep for new users, especially those who aren't familiar with business management software. Plus, it can feel a bit overwhelming at times as it tries to do a lot. If your primary goal is simple billing and invoicing automation, you might find the platform's other features to be distracting. Now, if you're looking for something a little simpler, I've got a recommendation for you. Stick around to the end, and I'll show you an alternative that's more focused on just the billing and invoicing aspect, with a cleaner interface and a smoother experience for smaller businesses or solopreneurs. Lastly, I'll mention that if you want to try SuiteDash, we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for our viewers. But if you find it doesn't quite fit your needs, don't worry. I've added some amazing alternatives below that might be a better fit for automating your billing and invoicing process. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can get started risk-free. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to check it out below.